Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now before we jump into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's dive into today's video. Enjoy everyone. Let's go. Alright everyone, and now we are back with another case for the iPhone 15 Plus. Now in particular, this is what I like. These are the types of things that I cannot pass up. This particular case from FATOQIA, I know I butchered that. FATOQIA. I'm gonna put the name in the video description and in the title. I'm not pronouncing that again, but this particular case from this particular company is really good, and they also do one-stop shopping. So not only do you get the case, which gives full protection for the device, including the cameras, but you also get two privacy tempered glass screen protectors. All right. And even though it pained me to do it, I have already installed one of the two privacy tempered glass screen protectors, meaning I had to take my beloved FATCAT screen protector or FUNCAT screen protector off, and it really pained me to do that. But when we're testing out products, we gotta fully test out products. But let's get into this unboxing and first impressions of this case, or what I like to consider one-stop shopping of another accessory for the iPhone 15 Plus. Let's go. So starting off here, talking about the packaging and presentation, I have to say they have done a great job here. You do get a nice little see-through window into the package, a nice little shot of the case. All right. And then they are already highlighting key features. So you can see it says magnetic. So it does support MagSafe functionality. Nothing on the sides. Okay. And then on the back, we have more information. So 360-degree protection. Okay. For your buttons, your display, and your cameras. Nice and thin and lightweight. And shock absorbent. Okay? So really good stuff there. Ultimate impact protection. Nice overall packaging, in my opinion. Okay? And I gotta say, the price on this one was really good as well. But let's slide this out. And you can see nothing else in the package. Let's put the package off to the side. Oops, it dropped off my bed. And here you can see we're greeted with the case. And then if I pop the case out, we'll have the screen protectors and all of our installation goodies here. And I did repackage it exactly how it came. Okay, so you'd have your two privacy glass screen protectors, and it's really nice quality privacy glass screen protectors. Okay, so that's the back, and then this is the front. And you can see once you go off access, it kind of adds tinted windows to your display. It's really nice. So straight on, you can see through it nice and clear, but once you go off access, you can't see through it. So nice privacy glass screen protector. Again, I've already pre-installed one. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like on my device in a little bit here. And then you got your wet and your dry wipes for the screen protectors. I've already used one set. Y'all can see that there. And then here we have the case. And you know what? Let me go ahead and take this out of here as well. Okay? And let's take a closer look at this case before we drop it on my device. So you can see the inner part has a nice frosted, sturdy Okay, and then you can see we also do have full camera protection. Okay, and I was sad about that as well. I did have to take off my nice tempered glass camera lens protector, but this particular case offers full camera, microphone, and flash protection. Really good stuff there. And you can see we got fully protected buttons on both sides. Nice precision cutout for our mute slider. We do have a lanyard strap cutout as well. So really good stuff there as well. And nice cutouts for our speakers and our microphones and our charging port right there. Now, let me bring in my device real quick. And just so I can show y'all, I did put the screen protector on. So if I light up the display, you can see it, right? But if I tilt it off axis, you can't see it. But if I bring it back, you can see it. But if I tilt it off axis, you can't see it. This is what it means to have a privacy tempered glass screen protector. So if you're doing something and somebody walks by, depending on the angle that they're at, they can't see what's on your screen. So this just gives you, as the name implies, extra privacy. And I gotta say, the overall installation process of this was pretty easy, but I am very disappointed. I don't know how well my camera is gonna pick it up, but this screen protector is not true edge-to-edge protection. You can see we're not fully protected straight to the edge. So we do have slight exposure around the edge of the device, but that is just fine because it's just enough exposure for the case to line up perfectly. So you can see if I drop the case on my device now, it fits perfectly on my device. Okay? And you can see we have nice precision cutouts. Everything looks really good. And I gotta say, that frosted look, okay? I like how it eliminates the Apple logo. So now we have a completely brandless experience. I like that. Okay? I like that a lot. Okay? And you can see the minute I go off axis, you can't see my display. So if I wake up my display, the minute I go off axis, you can't see it. So really nice. And I gotta say, this particular company did a great job here. Let me check out the cameras real quick. I did make sure I cleaned off the camera lenses before I took my device and dropped it in. But let me check out the cameras. Okay, so video quality looks good. Let's check out photo performance. Okay, let me take a messy shot of my desk. Okay, and let's see. Okay, photo performance looks good. So you do have nice tempered glass protection built into the cameras, but I was pretty bummed out that I had to take my nice quality tempered glass lens protector off, but camera performance is still really good as well. So I really like this case. And again, we do have the MagSafe feature still. So bringing in my phone stand here, it works. Really strong magnets on here. Really good stuff. Like that a lot. Okay. And I'm pretty sure this is going to work perfectly with all of my other MagSafe accessories. So that pretty much does it, guys and gals, for today's video. Okay. Now I'm going to take my time and put this case through its paces and write up a full written review to be published on Amazon. And then after that video goes live on Amazon, I will come back and shoot the full video review and let you guys and gals know if this case is worth picking up for your device. And what's really nice, and I'll put up the B-roll in post, is the price of this. You can get this for $10, $9.99 before taxes. And you're basically, as I've showed you, getting one-stop shopping. You're getting a fully protected case, and you're getting really nice tempered glass screen protectors. Now, if there was one negative that I can already see from the jump, that is there was no assisted installation tray for the screen protectors, and getting the screen protector separated was a little tough. And then also, as I pointed out already, the screen protectors are not edge to edge. So those are two negatives that I've already experienced just from my first impressions. But other than that, everything about this this case and included accessories for the iPhone 15 Plus seems to be a win. Anyways, I'm going to have to put it through the full review process, use it for a week, and come back and let you guys and gals know. But as always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, remember, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. Also, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to see where you can see any additional coverage for the iPhone 15 Plus itself or any or all of my favorite recommended accessories, I'll link up all of my extended coverage for the iPhone 15 Plus down below in the video description, okay? Also, if this video piques your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up anything featured in today's video, all of the affiliate links I will also have linked up down below in the video description as well. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals make your purchase using those links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate links a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. And that also makes the video description a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Today's video has been recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Google Pixel 6a in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. However, I am using speech enhancement inside of the dedicated Google Pixel camera application. So please let me know how you guys and gals feel about the overall video quality, the overall audio quality, and the overall lighting, okay? I am using my professional studio lights here today as well. So all of your guys and gals' feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. And you guys and gals, let me know what you guys and gals think, because you guys and gals have seen all the devices that I use primarily on the channel for recording video. And honestly, they're all really, really good. But also, if I'm being 100% honest, I think I'm getting ready to get rid of all of my Samsung devices. So I'm going to get rid of my Samsung tablet. I'm going to get rid of my Samsung phones. And I think I'm either going to go with all Apple devices or all Google Pixel devices. Okay? I really want to test out that stock experience. Okay? Samsung is good, but some of the things they have, although they're very feature-packed, it does sometimes, I feel, take away from the overall experience. So I'm either going to go all iOS, so get an iPad, and maybe a Mac Mini, or go all Google, so get a Google Pixel tablet or a Chromebook, and use my Pixel device for primarily shooting video as well as daily usage, because I feel like it's time to hang Samsung up. However, I will never get rid of Motorola, man. There'll always be a Motorola device on the channel. Motorola is just king from so many aspects, including the price, as well as charging, as well as battery life. So I'm always going to keep a Motorola device in-house. Okay? Okay. Anyways, let me know what you guys and gals think. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. You know, looking through the viewfinder, the Pixel 6a didn't do too bad for this video here today. Damn, did that rhyme? Hashtag bars. All right. Have a good one, everyone. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.